Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix app crashing on Android mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Android mobile phone, and first thing first, we can go to the Play Store application. Just open the Play Store and you have to go to your profile. Click on this profile button on the top right, and you have to open the Play Protect. We're going to use this Play Protect feature to fix the app crashing. Just click on this feature and you have to scan your application. Click on scan and just wait until the scanning process has completed. Wait guys. And now as you can see guys that no harmful apps found. And after that, we can fix the app crashing on our Android phone by clearing the cache of our application. We can go to our setting and we can go to the app setting. It's over here, and then you can choose the application you want to fix. For instance, I'm just going to fix my CapCut application, so I'm gonna click on CapCut, and then we can go to the storage and click on the clear cache. Okay, now the cache has been deleted, and that's how we can fix the app crashing on Android mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.